Okay, right now, how to set up the iPhone. Okay, now it gets English and where country you live. You can collect country you live. Okay, you put United States. And size you can put. I put medium and I put large and continue. The waiting. This is a quick start. This is for running ads. Your iPhone. Okay, keep go. Right now, yeah, I put. You don't have Wi-Fi. You have Wi-Fi. You can put your Wi-Fi. You put for you can skip. You don't have Wi-Fi. Later. A few minutes. Okay, right now you can continue. Yeah, you need put continue. And this one they ask you set up for your child family or you set up for yourself. No, I'm set up myself. And Face ID you want to do, you don't want to do, you set up later. About me, set up later. And password, which one you like you can put on your phone about password. Just anywhere. Okay. Okay, this one you have from iCloud backup or from another phone or Mac or PC from Android. You can click on one about me. Yeah, I don't have. I put like this. But I don't have forget password. You can put over here your email something. I don't have forget password. And I sign up later at my account. Okay, this one asks you something about Apple. Okay, I get agree. Okay, right here. Guess continue. Yeah. Once continue. Location for service something turn on. A service. Okay, I guess turn on. Okay. You need they ask you about you have your own phone, you can transfer everything or you use or good or girls. Yeah, but I set up later. Yeah. I skip. Okay, and continue. Okay, I share with us Apple. I share with Apple. I use dark, light, or auto. I use auto. Continue. Okay, and continue. Yeah, that's good. This food your ring, your bill, everything. Costume. And continue. Continues. And it's continue. Continues.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to...
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky fade with the...
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Okay, I like number 4. I put number 4. Siri, how the weather's to your iPhone. Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a time for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get direction home. Siri, play some music. Okay, you understand me right now. Okay, keep continuous. Okay, stereo records continuous. Okay, welcome to the iPhone. This done. Yes, done. Right now everything good. Yeah, everything on your phone. It's good. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Night.